Yeah, Nima, let me turn to you. How exactly are they going to unfold this investigation? How does this play out? I imagine this is a headache. I imagine this is incredibly complicated. What are we going to see in the next weeks, in the next months, to unravel this scheme?
Jesse, Julie, I agree. This is a nightmare here in California. I mean, and there's a couple of reasons why this happened. The first is the certification process. Historically, to certify, to receive unemployment benefits, you have to fill out forms under penalty of perjury. Those forms are checked, and if and when you're qualified, you receive the benefits. Well, after the shutdown and quarantine here in California, um, they sort of switched that certification process where you apply for benefits, you receive them, and then you certify sometime later. Well, that's a big problem in a state like this where you don't have those checks here, you don't have a computerized system. So you have tons of fraudulent claims that were submitted, the benefits received, and now the state is going back and checking those claims. Well, guess what? You're never going to collect the money from those inmates or those folks. That money is lost, and it's a shame, when you have state governments that are already doing so poorly financially and you have this massive loss that you'll never recover. So, I mean, I do think the state and EDD here has a big part to play in the blame that goes around in this particular issue.
It's shameful. It's horrible to think about this money going to murderers.